In this video, we will explore the design and new features of Antero 7. Over the last 20 years, we have continually updated and revised our computerized maintenance management software to provide the best tools available for clients to take control of their maintenance program and data. Antero 7 incorporates new tools and features that allow you to manage your assets, work order process, parts, reports, and related data with ease and greater efficiency. At first glance, you will notice the application ribbon allows users to have a panoramic view of all the available tools and sections of Antero 7. A user may choose to select Home and navigate the software by workflow using categorical tiles, or choose Quick Tools. All of the above actions are also available from the application ribbon, allowing users to easily memorize the functions in Antero 7 with graphical icons that are grouped by categories. When accessing a section like Equipment, users will now be greeted by a split-screen view that will incorporate a new vertical navigation bar. Your equipment grid on the left allows you to select a piece of equipment, and now with vertical navigation, you can quickly cycle through related information such as instruments, spare parts, work orders and templates, active work, history, and attached documents. Note you can slide the navigation bar over or select a full grid view to display information in a grid layout. The equipment section now incorporates several new features. The new search tools in Antero 7 are innovative and easy to use features that make finding your data simple. Do character-specific searches. Deploy grid filters with new combo boxes that allow you to select multiple records for your search criteria. Use grouping to be able to quickly filter large record sets and group by any column category. Customize your grid view with column tools to select the data that is most important to you. Save and personalize your layout for future use. Create work orders for a selected piece of equipment. Images and location mapping are prominently displayed. All your related equipment details can be viewed at a glance. Adding new records can be managed from dynamic drop-downs that allow for new entries to quickly be created. Asset criticality is a new feature that allows users to meet the state-required tracking of equipment criticality, build custom ranking categories, and track consequence and probability of failure. Custom fields are now easier to find and use in Antero 7. In Antero 7, we have redesigned and added powerful new features to enhance the way work orders are scheduled, created, and managed in the program. My work has been added to Antero 7 to allow users to quickly find and manage their available work orders and procedures. Work statuses and filtering tools for defined maintenance groups and users allow individuals to find the work orders that are assigned to them. Work and equipment summary information is available at a glance. Indicator icons for delinquent work orders and work orders that need further attention flag issues before they become bigger problems. Work Statuses introduces the ability in Antero 7 to track your work progress with assigned color-coded statuses like new when a work order is created. Easily manage and track work order progress with your own custom statuses. Work Order Viewer introduces a dynamic new way to manage your work orders. With the ability to access, review, edit, and print work orders from a dedicated viewer that is available throughout the program, users can focus and manage work faster and more effectively. Select your fields and then complete your notes and update any related instrument, labor, part, supplier, equipment, or miscellaneous data from a single viewer page. Move your work order to review for a supervisor to complete, or log completed work orders directly to history. Calendar View will display available work by maintenance group, user, or all work. Filter work by categories. Launch Work Order Viewer and manage all the integral information for a work order. Print the record or complete it and move it to reviewer history. Schedule appointments and important deadlines. Mapping adds the ability in Antero 7 to zoom and navigate the terrain of your facility or city to find what you need to complete projects. Track and map not only your equipment, but the work associated with your equipment. See available work assigned. Select equipment details and navigate to your available work orders. Work management takes away the stress of having to keep on top of scheduled work orders by auto-creating all your current and future work orders up to 30 days in advance. Date range will narrow down your record searches with a simple click from predetermined calendar range, or create your own custom date ranges to filter records. Work order review gives supervisors and advanced users the ability to review and manage work once it is completed and prior to the record being closed and logged to history. Get a bird's eye view of all the information on your completed work. Edit and add additional notes, and finalize the work orders to history once the records have been thoroughly reviewed. Work templates empowers users to create schedule work with a quick and easy to navigate single page where all your scheduling requirements can be viewed and selected. Task List has been rebuilt to include a multitude of new editing tools to give you the ability to create grids and enhance your instruction list with formatting and hyperlinks. Procedures is a new tool that allows you to create scheduled work that may require several steps to be completed. You can create scheduled routine inspections or intricate projects that need attention to every detail before being finalized. Part stock is displayed with the list and all the associated warehouses and locations where the selected part is stocked. You can easily find the quantity in stock and an accurate estimate of parts allocated for active work orders. Navigate the vertical application ribbon to view additional information such as suppliers, associated equipment, order history, and work history. A detailed audit record of when parts quantities are adjusted is a new feature in Antero 7. Ordering and receiving has been designed to now incorporate a series of new features to make the process of creating and receiving your orders more intuitive. Quickly create new orders, receive parts. As users complete purchase orders, Antero 7 will flag all items received with a green check. Once the order is complete, a green check appears to indicate the PO has been filled and is ready to be closed. Reorder parts with the reorder option to display parts that have been flagged for reorder due to a minimum quantity that the part is now below. Report Center has been redesigned, allowing users to quickly navigate through a topic list and view the available reports. Antero 7 includes a large selection of stock reports for equipment, ordering, parts, supplier, and work order cost. Information tiles for each report you can produce is displayed with a brief description below the report name. When clicking on a report, you will be greeted by a report preview window. With Report Preview, you can now customize a report with data filters. Memorize your custom report, and it will be saved for future use inside Antero 7. For more information about Antero 7, reach out to your account manager or contact us directly at allmaxsoftware.com.